I'm Tassin, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a beard butter using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program, and then click on the Body Balm build, and then click Create. So beard hair can be quite dry, so I'm going to pick some nice rich oils that are going to be quite moisturising to the hair. First, I'm going to select the Kapuku butter. This is a nice exotic butter and it's very emollient and moisturising. And I'm also going to pick some marula oil. This is another exotic oil, which also is quite moisturising and emollient, and it's also great for dry skin and dry hair. Next is my consistency factor, and I'm going to pick some beeswax and some candelilla wax. Next is my antioxidant, and I'm going to select the mixed tocopherols. And last but not least is my fragrance, and I'm going to pick a couple of essential oils for this beard butter. I'm going to go with a little bit of peppermint and some Australian sandalwood. And then click on Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method. Now let's get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a beard butter using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own beard butter. Happy formulating!